Yep. Noah.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, he's swimming. Oh.
I don't even know how to get that, dude.
You want me to try?
Yeah, if you want to.
Just watch my kayak for me.
You want these?
I am a god. I'm telling you, dude.
His name's Ron.
He looks more like a Roger to me. See you later, Ryan. Yep. Pretty good one. Oh yeah. Look at that, boys. Solid pig of a smallmouth bass right there. This feels amazing. No, it feels great, dude. Yeah, I'd say it is a little bit harder with yours. All right, boys. Noah's throwing the draw. I'm throwing the jig. Two different presentations, completely. Satan, is that you? Let's get it. We're just gonna float down and come back up. Yeah, we're gonna go down around the island first. That way we don't disturb them by going over top of them.
I know I say this in pretty much every video regarding river fishing, but that's because it's so important. It's imperative to cast upstream, providing the most natural presentation. This is the most surefire way to produce more bites in the river setting.
Yep. Noah. Oh, stay down. Stay down. Get out of the current. Yeah. This is a good one, boys. Gotta get the net. Here we go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, yes, sir. That's it, boys. That's what we came for right there. Tank smallie. Whoo! Oh, I'm shaking from this fish. Wow. Looky there, boys. Little pig smallie. Okay, looky there, boys. Coming on the jig, that thing pops right out. How cool is that? And now we can break in the measuring board. This is gonna be the first time I'm using this measuring board out here. First time we're trying her out. Wow, this is a little pig. Let's see if he goes lap hog. Oh, close your mouth, buddy. There you go. Ooh, just under lap hog status. Looks like he's gonna go 17.5. Just under. Oh, hey buddy, let's calm down. Let's not do anything rash, okay? Oh, sick. Wow. Let's see if Noah will get a picture for me. We'll go release this fish up here. Hey, can you get a pic? Yeah, he's 17.5, right under lap hog status.
Actually, yeah, I need to get on the other side.
Oh yeah, that's true. Sun is probably ripping it. Should be good right there, dude. That's beauty. Frickin' beauty. Alrighty, boys, there you go. Good one to start the day right there. Appreciate you. Yeah. We didn't get the first one on camera.
No, doesn't have a camera.
Oh yeah, he's ready now. I got you, buddy. I'm letting you go. There you go. I had to make sure you're all right first. Nice. Catch him.
But after hours of fishing the shoals where the forks meet, Noah and I decided to move upstream and try some new territory. And it didn't take long before that decision paid off.
Yeah. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Need the net? I got you, bro. Oh, he's swimming. Oh. Oh, dude. That was a tank. Yeah, I got it on camera too.
Damn it.
Yeah, that's gonna be AIDS. Oh, you just drug yourself over a tire, it looks like. That is freaking funny, dude. I respect it. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm coming. Oh, keep him down, keep him down, keep him down. I'm coming with the net. Yeah, I know, I know, I know. Oh, shit. Can you bring him back this way? Oh my God. Got you, bro. Yeah. Yeah, let's park over here. Heck yeah, bro. Hey, hey, I'm not the one who hooked you, buddy. Yeah, that's a good one, dude. Let me get out. We might be able to do some surgery here. I might have to go through his gills. Yeah, that's gonna be tough.
I don't even know how to get that, dude.
You want me to try?
Yeah, if you want to. I got little pliers in here if you want.
I'm gonna try to go through his gills right here. Just watch my kayak for me.
You want these?
I am a god. I'm telling you, dude.
Different, dude.
There you go. Nice. Where's my phone at? Nice cock. I'm gonna have to edit all that out.
Nice cock.
Got you, bro. Look at that, boys. Little stud muffin. You want to measure him? Let's see if he's lap hog status. He definitely looks it. Yeah, it goes here. Oh yeah, literally touching 18. That's a lap hog, boys. Looky there.
Oh.
Oh, wow. I love him.
His name's Ron.
He looks more like a Roger to me. See you later, Ryan. Oh, he's gonna hide under the yak. He's gonna hide under the yak.
Question is,
Where did he go? Oh, he's right here. Stud. You got one? Oh, let's go. Hold on, I'm coming, bro. Oh my God. Dude, hog smallie. Hog smallie right here. That's like a 4-pounder. Oh, the little guy beat him to it. Heads up on the rocks as well. Let's go. You're freaking killing him, bro. Dark sleeper. Oh no, excuse me, sleeper crawl. Sleeper crawl is the juice. Yeah, I'm coming.
see if you can get this out.
Oh, okay, I see it now.
How did you get that out?
Cause I'm a god. You want me to measure him while I got him? All right, will he go lap hog status? I think he's gonna be right under. I think he's like 16. Yeah. Oh, he's actually bigger than I thought. So he is like 17 and a quarter, like right under 17 and a quarter. If you push the fan down. Oh, beautiful smallie, look at that. There you go, sir. Thank you for getting my hands smelling like fish today. Oh, oh. All right, do one sideways too. It's actually a pretty good backdrop with the bridge. All right, gotcha, bro. Beauty.
This one's
Another
nice.
2-pounder. See you later, buddy. I'm telling you. I don't know how I'm supposed to get this without getting out. Dude, there's no way. Yeah. Looky there, boys. She has been retrieved hours later. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, after we retrieved Noah's lost lure, Noah had to leave and I was back to fishing on my lonesome. But that's okay, I actually like fishing on my own. I tend to do a little bit better when it's just me in the water. No distractions, just me, a rod, and these beautiful Soho smallies.
Yeah. There we go. Hey, we'll take a little guy. It's been a long time since we got in a bite. What's up, buddy? Stop freaking out. There you go, looky there, boys. Huh. First bass in a while. And it's a little guy. Looky there, a little dinker. Appreciate you, buddy. Oh. Oh. 100% a fish. Yep. Pretty good one, pretty good one. I gotta keep up with them. Oh yeah, that's a tank. That's a tank. This has gotta be the one that took it first. Stay down, buddy. Oh. No. Oh, yeah. 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 That's more like it, boys. Yes, sir. That's the fish we've been after all day. Look at that tank smallie. Okay. Gonna have to do this quick because I know the current's not gonna cooperate. Oh, yeah. Look at that, boys. Solid pig of a smallmouth bass right there. Just an absolute beauty. Look at that. Coming on the bitsy bug. Woo! That's the lap hog we were after, boys. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a lap hog pick. See if this fish will cooperate with us. Hang on, baby. There you go. Oh yeah, right at 18 and a half. Beautiful fish. Nice. Alrighty. Look at that, boys. What a studly little smallmouth. Let me get one pick, and we'll send him back. Let's see if this fish goes 3.5. Oh no. Don't tell me my scale is dead. Oh, boys. What a shame, what a shame. All right, sweetheart, you get off easy this time. One last look at her. Absolute beauty. Appreciate you, sweetheart. Make sure she's ready to go in this current. Don't want her banging against the rocks. Just a beautiful fish, look at that. You ready, sweetie? Oh yeah, she's biting down. I think she's ready. Oh, how cool is that? Oh yeah. It's a pretty good one. That's a pretty good one. It's not bad. That's for sure. That is for sure. Wow, he slammed that sucker. All right, let's get over here in the shade. Nice. Wow, he's a little chunker. Look at you, you little fighter. Look at there, boys. Another beautiful smallmouth. Little Soho smallie. Coming on the bitsy bug and crawdaddy. Crazy, crazy. Alrighty. This little beauty has been documented. We'll see you later, big guy. Phew! Off he goes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a good little bass right there. Come here. Oh, don't you jump. What a cutie. Nice. All right. Let's get away from this current because it is going to haunt us if we don't. Yeah. Yep, he's through the net. Looky there, boys. Pop through the net. Oh, hooked so well, though. Look at that. Another beautiful smallmouth bass. Appreciate you, buddy. Adios, muchacho. There he goes. Bloop. Yeah. Nice little smallie. I believe it's a smallie. Yeah. Looky there. Oh, calm down, buddy. I'll let you go right back, I promise. I promise. Look at that, boys. Nice, looky there. Beautiful little smallmouth coming on the bitsy bug. Oh, he took my claw the first go. Okay. There he is, boys. Beautiful little bronze back smallie. Appreciate you, buddy. See you later. Yep, he took one of my claws. How about that? That is my PB smallmouth right there. Freaking tank of a smallie. I thought it was gonna be my 5, I really did. But still, what a studly bass, look at that.